How to trim audio in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can trim audio in iPhone. Now, let's just get started. So, the first thing you want to do is find the audio file. Now, it can be on your WhatsApp, it can be a voice message or whatever. All you need to do is long press on it, and now you can, download this. Now, to download it, you can just tap on forward, and you can tap on share. After you tap on share, save to files, and after you tap on save to files, now you'll need to save it. You can change its name if you want to. Now we'll use a third-party app, and the third-party app is called Toolbox. Now you can download it from App Store. So go to App Store and download this app and open it up. So here what you'll need to do is you'll need to scroll down till you find the audio section, and there you will see trim option. Now you can use other feature of this app too, and it's completely free. So just tap on trim and now select the audio file that we just downloaded and open it up, and here you can trim the audio. Now you can trim it. Now you can set it to whatever you like, and yeah, after you do that, tap on start. After you tap on start, now you can save the file. Now you can just name the file whatever you want and save it on your files app. And yeah, that is basically it guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.